Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurhani Nabila. My metric number 01DIT24F20004. Today I want to tell about local area network. It's LAN. Definition: a LAN is a network that connect computer and device within a limited geographic area, such as home, office, school or building. Key characteristics is cover a small area, typical within a few kilometers. The second one is the provide high-speed data transfer up to 10 Gbps or more. The third one is uses wire or wireless Wi-Fi connection. The final is commonly managed by a single organization. For the example, office network, home network, and school network. B. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). Definition: a MAN is a network that covers a larger geographical area than a LAN but is smaller than a WAN, typically spanning a city or metropolitan region. Key characteristic: cover a city or large campus, typical 10 to 15 kilometers, offer moderate to high-speed connection, often up to 10 Gbps, use fiber optic, wireless, or leases telecommunication line, often maintained by ISPs, government organization, or large corporation. For the example, city-wide Wi-Fi network, university campus network, and cable TV network. The last one, wide area network WAN. Definition: a WAN is a network that spans large geographical area, such as country or continent, and connect multiple LANs and MANs. Key characteristic: cover large distance, global. Second, lower data transfer speed compared to LANs, often in Mbps to Gbps range. Third, user public or private communication, satellite and fiber optic. Last, can be managed by multiple organizations or service providers. For the example, the internet, corporate network, connecting multiple offices worldwide.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadia Shafia. My number metric is 01DIT24F2012. Number 2, selecting the right network for each requirement based on the company's need, recommend which types of network be used for. Number 1, the high quality building. Coverage: cover a single building or campus. Spec: high spec up to 10 Gbps or more. Cost: requires internet scooter setup but offer high efficiency. Number 2, the breadth of office with the same city. Coverage: cover multiple buildings within a city. Speed: high speed but may be slightly lower than LAN. Security: can be secure using VPN and encrypted. Number 3, the international office. Coverage: span across countries and continents. Cost: high due to this link, link or cloud-based networking. Security needs storage, encryption, firewall and VPNs to protect data over long distances.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Akil Hazwani. My metric number is 01DIT24F2033. Here is step-by-step breakdown of the manual calculation. First, I convert each given number into its decimal equivalent. Then I perform logical operations such as OR and NOR, followed by arithmetic operation including division, addition, and multiplication. Finally, I evaluated the final expression to obtain the result of 1,288,234. Here's the answer of the B and C. P is a program source code that I made, and C is a screenshot of a source code.